guys, me again, I'm Brian. Today I'll be unboxing this box. First thing, I'll need a scissors, so I'm using this to cut. And I'm just gonna make it fast. Okay. And for some FB users are very annoying at times. I just received some messages. I said I given you all the seller contact info. And there's no point you asking me where I live or whatsoever. I know you're curious, but please do ask some of the B-shots that knows me. They would tell you why, and things that maybe they will answer you. And it's funny how they give you the kind of answer that literally makes you laugh, you know. So here is the unboxing. Those who want to buy STR from STR, remember to find him in Crossfight or WBMA group. He is the user that normally posts a lot of product pictures from his store. And I got these 3 products, which is original. I quite like it. There's the twin reservoirs, round tiger I think, and ref robots. 3 reservoirs B-daman. Just want to open up to show you guys. He packed using the bubble wrap and the brown box. And I love how he managed to cram it in. And if you guys wonder that if it's worth it, I must say it's worth it in a way. It is because Takara product, so it's original, no pirated. So it's all good. Last one, I think it's this one, ref drawers. I've been waiting for this. First I didn't buy intentionally. I listened to what Rachel said, Drago sucks. Sorry to say that, but I do it for my collection, so sorry about that. I hope you understand. I'm gonna do maybe, just maybe, I'll start off with ref drawers for unboxing, following by round tiger, then twin dressers. Please follow up my video for the upcoming ones. Okay, Ryan here signing off. To be continued. Bye.